Good evening, my friend. I am Shekhar from Sivandi Community Radio, Adityanar College of Arts and Science, which is located in the southern part of Tamil Nadu. Actually, we started our community radio in the year of 2007. I associated with the community radio 2007 onwards. Actually, initially we had 1 hour broadcasting of program. So slowly we increased, and now we are broadcasting around 7.5 hours daily a day. And we had initially a lot of problem related to the communities and as well as the staff members which are working with the radios. And slowly we sorted out all these problems, and now the station is smoothly playing without any disturbances. One of the important problem which we faced in the initial stage was bringing the community members to the studio and making the program by them. And we did a project called Science for Women's Health and Science for Health and Nutrition for Women, which was supported by DST. With that project, we made all the community members to our stations, and the program was very participatory from that onwards. And the challenge which we are now facing is the financial support and sustainability. And as in the stage of the sustainability, what I want to say is the management is supporting a little bit extent, and how long they will be with the continuous support for the community. And one more thing in this point, I emphasize that the ministry is taking good support, and they are making a very, very good decision that self-supporting fund for the CR stations. Actually, I used to come to all the Sammelans. Suppose this Sammelans, I am very much happy about that. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting made a fund which is for developing the community radio, as well as which is the fund is for making more community radios around all over India. It makes us very supportive, and the financial support will come from the ministry also, we think. As we are the participation in the Sammelan, that the ministry MIB is planning to have more stations all over India, that around 400 something odd in the next 1 or 2 years. That will make the community participation in the community radio, and as well as they will get a chance of sharing their ideas in the community radio. That makes a lot of changes and reforms in our country.